Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful, very stunning, very embellished design. Just looking, say some things for related any patterns, more creative videos and more fabulous videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things and more stunning designs. Of this video is all about more creative videos, and this video it's your choice, and this is more creative videos. Crochet cup coaster designs, crochet cup coasters ideas for more creative videos, just amazing videos and more stunning videos I have shared with you. Just looking so amazing designs, and this is amazing videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly attractive designs, give more fabulous videos, more amazing designs, and just looking so gorgeous designs I have shared newly things, newly attractive ideas. Keep watching, stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing videos and different used in taking cup and for kitchen interior designs are used in cup coasters for kitchens, and different small stunning videos I have shared with newly things, more fantastic designs. Just say some things for related any patterns and more creative videos I have shared with newly things. We have to share newly ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members will be amazing videos. Just looking so gorgeous design and more fantastic fabulous videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly creative videos. Just say some things for related any patterns. It's my choice. It's your more stunning ideas and more creative videos. Just gorgeous videos I have shared with newly things. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So let's go, inshallah we will meet